Okay, so I've made dashed lines with orange and blue thread so that you can see you want to go down where the orange is and back up, and then down where the blue is and back up. And we're making these bars here, which we can tighten later. And when you go back down on the orange side, you go back down where you came up before. And when I go down on the blue side, I'm going down exactly where I went up before. I'm bringing the needle over 2 stitches or 2 bars. So down and over 2, and then down and over 2. And I'll go from right to left like this, all the way down the seam. Now let me show you what happens when you tighten it. You can use the needle and pull, just like you're tightening shoelaces. And then it'll really be an invisible seam. Oh, there we go. And that is how you do the mattress stitch.